Hindi po ba, noong November 25, 2024, Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability hearing, sinabi nyo doon, please show the TSN, that's right after encashment, pagkatapos pong ma-encash yung 125 million pesos, tinawagan mo sino?
CSO officer, Your Honor.
Colonel Lachica.
Lachica.
To quote, sinabi mo doon, you called him and you told him na eto na yung ready na yung 125 million pesos. Tama po ba?
Sinabihan ko po siya, Your Honor, na na-encash ko na po ang cheque for the confidential funds.
Yes, ma'am. Question. Ikaw yung special disbursing officer. Ikaw yung nag-prepare ng confidential, yung physical financial plan. Hindi mo masabi kung empleyado ba. Hindi mo masagot-sagot yung napakasimpleng tanong kung empleyado ba si Colonel Lachica. The question is, why did you have to call Colonel Lachica to inform him, Colonel Lachica, ready na ang 125 million pesos? Bakit?
Kasi po, may instruction po sa taas, Your Honor, ng aking head of agency na kung ma-encash ko po ang cheque, i-release ko po kay Sir Lachica, kinsa iyang gi-designate nga special officer po, a security officer po sa Office of the Vice President na siya i-order, Your Honor.
Okay, ma'am. Sabi mo, tinawagan mo si Colonel Lachica kasi yun yung utos ng head of agency. Siguro sa ating mga kababayan na hindi alam, sino ba? Sino ba ang head of agency na nag-utos sa iyo as the special disbursing officer na ibigay yung 125 million pesos in cold cash sa isang security officer, Colonel Raymond Dante Lachica?
Ang nag-utos po sa akin na i-release ang pera na 125M sa security officer na si Colonel Lachica ay si Ma'am Sara Duterte.